जय हिंद and good morning students. सरस्वती शिशुकुंज वगवाला English medium Borsad. Students, this is a new video. This is revision part 3 that you are learning. Students, in this video I will revise question number 2. Question number A, B, C and D. Total 4 questions I will revise. So students, in this question number 2A is write true or false. Students, in this question what you have to do? You have to first read the question properly, understand the question, and you have to tick mark in the boxes given whether this statement is true or false. If the statements are correct, then you have to tick mark as true, and if the statements are false, then you have to cross it. So let us look at the answer. First question, lizards have holes instead of external ears. So students, you must have seen that a lizard has tiny holes on its head instead of external ears. So this statement is correct. First statement is right. Second, crocodile have big external ears. So students, can we see a crocodile's ears? We cannot see. That is why this statement is false. So crocodile does not have external ears. It also has tiny holes on its head. So this statement is false. Third number question, an elephant does not have hair on its skin. So students, you must have seen the elephants, or on elephant's skin there are lots of hair. So this statement is false, that an elephant does not have hair on its skin. This statement is wrong. Fourth number, all animals reproduce by laying eggs. Students, do all animals lay eggs? No. Some animals lay eggs and some animals give birth to babies. That is why this statement is false. Here it is written only by laying eggs. That is why this statement is false. 5 number, lion is an extinct animal. This statement is true or false? So students, this statement is false. Why? Because lion is not extinct animal. Here written lion, and lion we can see number of in the Gir forest. That is why the lion name is here. That is why this statement is wrong. Lion is not extinct animal. 6 number, weeds are planted by people. Weeds means unwanted plant or grass. So unwanted plants and grass means weeds are planted by people. So people do not plant weeds. That is why this statement is false. 7 number, Khejri is situated in the state of Rajasthan. So where is Khejri village? Khejri village, it is in the state of Rajasthan near Jodhpur. That is why this statement is right. 8 number, trees should be cut for firewood. Do we have to cut trees for firewood? No, we don't have to cut trees. That is why this statement is false. Trees should not be cut for firewood. So it is written should be cut. That is why this statement is false. And 9 number, the queen bee collects nectar from flowers. Students, if you have understood the chapter, so in that chapter, do queen bee collects nectar? No, queen bee does not collect. It only lay eggs. So who collects nectar? A worker bee. So here it is written queen bee. That is why this statement is false. The queen bee collects nectar from flowers. This statement is false because queen bee does not collect. A worker bee collects. So 10 number question, honeybees collect honey from sweet smelling flowers. So students, this statement is correct because honeybees collect honey from sweet smelling flowers. So that is why this statement is correct. 11. The elder children should help the younger ones to study. So this statement is also correct. Why? Because the elder student or children, they have to help. They should help the younger, means little children, in their study. That is why this statement is correct. 12 number. Everyone has a right to free education up to class 3. Student, here up to class 3. No, it is up to class 8. So everyone has what? So what is the right sentence? Everyone has a right to free education up to class 8. But it is written here class 3. That is why this statement is false. 13 number. Train tickets can be bought from any shop in the local market. Are the tickets available at any shop in the local market? No. So how can you buy railway ticket? You can buy railway ticket either online from the railway reservation office. You cannot buy from any shop in the market. That is why this statement is false. 14 number. A train has many compartments. So students, you have seen the train. The train has many compartments. That is why this statement is correct. 15 and last one. We should keep the train clean by not littering around. So students, this statement is also right. Why? Because we have to keep our trains clean by not littering around. So here it is written, we should keep the train clean by not littering around. That is why this statement is right. So students, these are the answers of question number 2A. True or false. So students, I hope you have understood all the answers of this question. Students, this is question number 2B. It is, the title is that given are pictures, circle the ones that show sensitivity towards plants and animals. So students, what you have to do? Here I will show you some pictures, and what you have to do, the pictures that show sensitivity towards plants and animals, on that picture you have to circle it. So students, here the first picture is, you can see here one picture of one boy who is hugging a tree. So students, here it shows the love of nature. It also shows that the sensitivity towards a tree. That is why you have to circle on this picture. Another picture is, you can see here that one man is shooting an animal. So students, do this picture show the any sensitivity, love for any animal? No, he is shooting an animal. That it is against the law. That is why it does not show the sensitivity. That is why you don't have to circle it. Third picture is, you can see here one girl is giving food to the animals. So students, do this picture show sensitivity towards the animals? Yes. Why? Because it is good to give food to animals. That is why you have to circle on this picture. Next picture is, here you can see one girl is watering a plant. So it shows her love towards plant. That is why it also suggests the sensitivity towards the plants and trees. That is why you have to circle on this picture. Next picture is, here you can see this picture. What it suggests, that one man is beating an animal. So do this picture shows any sensitivity, any love towards animal? No, it does not suggest. That is why you don't have to circle on this picture. And the next picture is, Here you can see one man is cutting a tree. So students, do we have to cut trees? No, we do not have to cut trees. That is why it does not show sensitivity towards the plants and trees. That is why you don't have to circle this picture. And the last picture is a boy planting a sapling or a plant. So do this picture shows any? So what this picture show? It shows that a boy is loving a nature. That is why it shows the sensitivity. That is why you have to circle on this picture. So students, in this way you have to write all these answers in your paper. What you have to do, whichever picture shows any sensitivity towards plants and animals, on that picture you have to circle it. So students, these were the answers of question number 2B. I hope you have understood it. So students, now the next question is, that is question number 2C. Define the following. Here you have to define the following points. First, poachers. Second one, weeds. Third, extinct animals. And fourth is endangered animals. So students, let us learn them one by one. First, it is poachers. To whom we call poachers? So people who catches or kill wild animals. Again I repeat, people who catches or kill wild animals to earn money or keep them for the symbol of status or wealth. These people are called poachers. Let me repeat the answer again. Listen to me carefully. People who catches or kill wild animals to earn money or keep them for the symbol of status or wealth. These people are called poachers. After poachers, second is weeds. What are called weeds? So the unwanted plants that grows naturally, around the main crops, these plants are called weeds. Let me repeat the answer again. The unwanted plants that grows naturally around the main crops is called weeds. Now third number, it is extinct animals. To whom we call extinct animals? So answer is, when there are no more individual of that animal. When there are no more individual of that animal or bird is found alive anywhere on the earth are called extinct animals. So any one animal is not alive on anywhere on the earth. Those animals are called extinct animals. So let me repeat the answer again. When there are no more individual of that animal or bird is found alive anywhere on the earth, then those type of animals or birds are called extinct animals. Now fourth and last number, it is called endangered animals. So students, to which kind of animals we call endangered animals? So this is the answer. The animals which are in danger of disappearing forever from the earth. Which animals? The animals which are in danger. We are in danger of losing those animals, or they are in danger of disappearing forever. Those animals are called endangered animals. Let me repeat once again. The animals which are in danger of disappearing forever are called endangered animals. So students, these were the answers of define the following. I hope you have understood it. So students, this is question number 2D, match the following. Here you students, you can see here part 1 and part B is given, and in the middle there are boxes given. So here in the box provided you have to write the correct answer. So let us learn match the following. Honeybees. So where will you match honeybees? Honeybees, they are attracted with sweet smell. So here D option is correct. So you will write D option here in the first box opposite of this honey bees. Second one is ants. So what is the answer of ants? Where will you match it? Ants are attracted towards sweet things. They are attracted towards sweet things. So A option is correct. So you will write A option here. Third number is queen bees. Where will you match queen bees? So queen bees lays eggs. What the queen bees do? They lay eggs. So here B number answer is correct. So here you will write B option in the box provided. 4 number, worker bees. What is the main work of worker bees? They collect nectar from flowers. So C option is correct. So you will write C option here in the box provided. So these are the answers of first match the following. So here students, second number match the following. First, people who hunt animals. What we call people who hunt animals? So we call them poachers. So this is C option is correct. So here C option you have to write in this first box provided. Second number is extinct animals. Which animals? Which are called extinct animals? So here dinosaur. Dinosaurs are called extinct animals. So A option is right. So A option you have to write down in this second number box. Third, unwanted plants. What we call unwanted plants? So unwanted plants we call as weeds. So D option is correct. So D option you have to write down here in this box. And fourth number, khijdi trees. Where khijdi trees are found? They are found in the state of Rajasthan. So B option is correct answer. So here B option you have to write down in this box. So students, this is how you have to write down the answers of the match the following. So these are the answers of match the following. I hope you have understood it. Now students, in this video I have explained you question number 2, A, B, C and D. So you will going to learn all the answers thoroughly. Thank you.